Start your day with the perfect cup of coffee. This portable electric coffee bean grinder gives you fresh, aromatic coffee anytime, anywhere. With a powerful 1800 mAh rechargeable battery and 40 adjustable grinding gears, you can choose the perfect grind, from coarse to ultra-fine. Its compact and cordless design makes it ideal for home, office, or travel. One-touch operation ensures smooth, quiet, and efficient grinding in seconds. Made for coffee lovers who demand freshness, flavor, and convenience. No more pre-ground coffee. Grind fresh and taste the real difference. And the best part, it's now available at 60% off. Upgrade your coffee game today. Click the link and order now.